Hi there, I'm Stephanie, and I'm a Zenfolio expert. If you're a Portfolio Plus or Pro Suite subscriber, you have the option to sell products through our available vendors. For our subscribers in the United States, our partner vendors are Impix and Bay Photo. For our Canadian subscribers, and also our European Union subscribers, our partner vendor is Fujifilm. For our UK subscribers, our partner vendor is One Vision Imaging. And for our Australian subscribers, our partner vendor is HC Pro. You can view a list of available products for each vendor by clicking on the hyperlinks in this guide, or when setting up your price list within your Zenfolio account. This guide can be viewed at success.zenfolio.com. Please note that the product offerings are a joint decision between Zenfolio and the vendor. I hope this information is helpful.